can do more than you ever imagined. Gina Siembieda is going to show us the Surefoot, which is great for using with rulers, and also 3 sizes of the Echo Foot, which make Echo quilting so simple you don't have to mark or anything. And then thirdly, she's going to show us the Square Foot, which is wonderful for flip and sew, and also for putting down things like rickrack. It holds it nice and flat, makes it easy as pie. Gina, is it just because I'm cuckoo for quilting, or are those feet beautiful?
Yes, they are amazing.
So these are 3 more feet that we get to play with today.
3 more feet, 3 more kinds of feet, more than 3 feet.
Oh, right,
of course.
right.
We have the Surefoot, which now is a higher profile than what was called your ruler foot, the closed toe foot.
But it's also a ruler foot?
Yeah, so
Okay.
you can put the ruler right up to it and it's just effortless.
Ah.
Yeah, or
okay.
if you have thicker batting that's making that ruler want to sit higher.
Okay.
it
Oh, and
takes care
pop
of that.
up?
Right.
Yeah, okay.
Right.
Great.
And then we have the Echo feet, and again, like the couching feet, it's a set of 3, and
they're
small,
pretty.
medium, and large.
Yep.
And that helps you with spacing of your Echo and a couple of other things that we can do with it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And then also the latest arrival is the Square feet.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so if you're doing straight lines and you have your ruler up against it, perfect straight line.
Oh, so they're new.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes,
Cool, cool,
quarter
cool,
inch
cool.
and half inch.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
So these samples are just showing using my ruler and some free motion.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So actually my friend Kelly Ashton and I, we got together and made these blocks. She needed to make a sample, and so I followed along and made kind of a traditional one. And then I thought, well, let's try something else.
Uh-oh. Oh, wow. Isn't that great? It's the same
So we kind of went with a
thing, but-
more modern twist and more rulers.
Wow.
So use the circle rulers, the oval, lots of straight lines. Had lots of fun with that.
Wow, they're so different.
Yes.
Yes.